So the best, the ultimate vegetable to eat to lose weight, in my opinion. What's up guys, I'm Michael Asamoah, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the best veggies to eat to lose weight. Now in order for you to lose weight, you have to be in a calorie deficit. And I've made a video on that up here. But basically you have to be below your calorie maintenance. Now when it comes to veggies, these are the best veggies to eat to lose weight. And in 5th place of the best vegetable to eat to lose weight, we have cabbage. Now come closer. For 100 calories of cabbage, you get to eat 400 grams. And I have a ton of cabbage here. We're gonna weigh it out on the scale. So this is almost 100 calories of cabbage. I don't remember the last time I ate this much cabbage, and this is 100 calories. Now in 4th place of the best vegetable to eat to lose weight, we have spinach. Now for 100 calories of spinach, you get to eat 450 grams. And we're gonna weigh that out on the scale too. So it says, come closer, it says 238 grams. This is not even 100 calories of spinach. You get to eat double this. So in 3rd place of the best vegetable to eat to lose weight, we have tomatoes. And for tomatoes, 600 grams gives you 100 calories of tomatoes. 600 grams. Good. 600 grams. This is 100 calories of tomato. Just so you know how much 100 calories is, I'm gonna show you how much of avocado you get to eat for the same 100 calories. So we have some chopped avocados here, and for avocado, 60 grams gets you 100 calories. So I'm gonna show you what 60 grams looks like. Come closer. This is 60 grams of avocado, right here. This is 60 grams of avocado. This is 100 calories. This is also 100 calories. If you haven't eaten for the whole day, and you had the opportunity to eat one of this, what are you eating? This or this? So it's really easy to lose weight. All you have to do is to make smart decisions with your diet. Now in the 2nd place of the best veggie to eat to lose weight, we have cucumbers. And for 100 calories, you get to eat 700 grams. And I'm gonna weigh out 700 grams on the food scale. 700 grams. So this is 100 calories. 100 calories. This is also 100 calories. So if I eat this and you eat this, you're not gonna only eat this, you're gonna eat more. So guess who's gonna lose weight? The guy eating this. So the best, the ultimate vegetable to eat to lose weight, in my opinion, is lettuce. And for 100 calories of lettuce, you get to eat 710 grams. 710. So let's weigh out 710 grams. Okay, so this is 557 grams of lettuce. This is not even up to 100 calories. And remember, this is 100 calories, this is also 100 calories. So if you are hungry, dead hungry, and you were asked to choose between one of them, you're supposed to take this because you can eat a lot of it, but it doesn't have a lot of calories, as much as this. Now we all love rice, right? It tastes amazing. But for 100 calories of rice, you only get to eat 130 grams. It says 125 grams. So this is almost 100 calories of rice. So this is 100 calories. This is also 100 calories. Now I'm not saying that you should go out there just eating a ton of lettuce, because no one wants to eat that. But you can mix it into a salad and have a great meal. So everyone uses oil, right? For 100 calories of olive oil, you get to eat only 13 grams. And I want to show you what that looks like, because a lot of people abuse oil because it has so many calories. So when you're making your salads and your stir fries, I see a lot of people pouring a lot of oil on it, and they think that, oh, because I'm eating vegetables, I'm gonna lose weight, but they don't know that this has a crap ton of calories. So for 100 calories, it's only 13 grams, and I'm gonna show you what that looks like just now. So we're pouring. Oh, great. This is 13 grams. Look at this. This is 13 grams. I know a lot of people that use a lot more. People are not just using this. They're mostly using this. You know, they're pouring the oil. Yeah, I think this is enough. Yeah. How much does this weigh? This is 45 grams. 45 grams of olive oil is 369 calories. Look at it. 369 calories. So you think that, oh, I mean, I'm eating vegetables, so let me just add a little bit of olive oil because it's healthy. It's full of healthy fats. It's great for you, but it has a lot of calories. So if you want to lose weight, you have to be really cautious about the amount of oil you're using. Now, these are not the only vegetables you can eat. There are a lot more, and I can list a ton, but I have a few that I like to give to you guys. And I wrote them down on the paper. We have bok choy, we have endives, we have watercress, bell peppers, zucchini, onions, and a lot more. So by making little tweaks to your diet and eating low-calorie dense foods, you can drastically kickstart your body into losing fat. And that's gonna be the end of today's video, guys. If you liked it and learned something, gently tap the like button. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace. And that's gonna be the end of today's video. Okay. And that's gonna be the end of today's video, guys. If you liked it, okay. And that's gonna be